Let's create a simple habit tracker with me on Notion. First type /database and choose database in line. Give your table a name. Click on 3 dots and hide title. Type days in the default property. Start to add habits you want to track one by one. And set them as a checkbox properties. Set up proper icons for each habit. Time to add days to your daily habit tracker. Don't forget to name your table and give it a proper icon. Now time to represent these data in a cute progress bar. To do that, simply add a formula property, name it progress and set a proper icon. I will write the formula in the first comment. Make sure you copy it as it is.